We have Janice Whitehead, who is from Zehro Water and is coming to the stage to tell us all about women-led enterprise required for manufacturing zero water toilets. Terrific subject, and welcome to the stage, Janice.
Good morning or good afternoon. It's still morning in South Africa, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you very much. I'm presenting today the Zero Waterless Toilet, a product of South Africa. Next slide. Next slide. In this slide shows the actual unit. From left to right is the top structure wall. On the outside of the top structure, this is the section of the unit in the sun, the opening and for the collection basket, where these 3-meter vent pipe fits, and the flush mechanism, which is easy for users to use. Next slide, thank you. The purpose of the Zero toilet, as you can see with the photographs, is what we have to deal with in rural areas, and the installation of the Zero toilet assists with the need for water and for sanitation infrastructure. It provides a safe containment of human feces while drying, and also creates entrepreneurial opportunities for the family in the home. It's made specifically for up to 10 users. The benefits are that the acceptable sanitation for the communities, and that is a client of mine in that photograph. It's an eco-sensitive replacement for pit and chemical latrines that leach into subterranean water. It uses only airflow and solar heat to dry the solid waste, and the resultant toilet resources are used in agriculture for regeneration of soil. Thank you. At the moment, we are working in Limpopo province with 6,000 potential homes that need safe sanitation. We have the ground-up support. In the picture, you can see that is a high-level meeting with dignitaries present in the presentation of the Zero toilet. And the decentralized manufacturing is part of the plan, contributing to skills transfer and creating local business opportunities where women are specifically involved. The benefit of the Zero is its small footprint, which is easily installed, saving on labor and time, which makes it portable as well. It goes into any space as long as it gets as much sun on the outside section as possible. Next slide, thank you. In this picture is showing the easy waste removal. By that time, the waste is dry and safe and easily handled, which also saves on time and labor because you're working with a safe product. Thank you. The urine diversion is an important part of the process because it separates the solids and the liquids, and we offer with the unit a urinal for men just to make sure everything stays dry in the unit. And the resultant toilet resources are used in agriculture going forward, which creates the skills and the food security going forward, which is part of the social benefits. Next one. The cost per installation would be about $1,000. That would be with the toilet unit and the full installation with the top structure, which makes it viable, and we use local labor to do that as well. Thank you. Here are examples of how the top structures can be adapted for the Zehro, which is above ground for high water table, in the ground, and also elevated. The impact is that there's no groundwater contamination because the feces is contained while being dried, and no sludge or smell, which impacts on personal hygiene in a home, which is again a big issue during the COVID time that we are in. No water is needed, and also we are working strongly with the communities with monetizing the toilet resources, which I believe will overcome the resistance to working with toilet resources and specifically creating jobs and focusing on women empowerment. Thank you. We need help, which is in collaboration with those people that are working in the same people-centric markets, because every wash organization would consider the Zehro toilet as a must-have to further their hygiene and water safety needs. I'd like to speak to any of you that are in this market, and looking forward to hearing from you and to make sure that we get this product to market for people that need it. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thanks, Janice. I suspect you might have quite a few inquiries. That was a terrific example of how environmentally conscious a product like that is.